Yo guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from anywhere you are watching this video. If you're just watching my video for the first time, make sure you click on the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notification to get notified each time I publish new content like this. So today I want to show you guys how to get this particular account for free, this Perplexity Pro account. So for you to get this account, it requires some little step and some technical step. But if you stay till the end of this video, I will show you the step-by-step guide on how to get this access for free. So stay tuned, guys. I will show you guys in the next 2 seconds. Okay, so welcome back. To get access to this Perplexity Pro, you need to go to this website. You need to go to getotp.com. Yes, you need to go to this website and make sure your ad blocker is turned off, because with ad blocker, as you can see, it looks like you have an ad blocker. So let me quickly use incognito mode. So you go to getotp.com. So once you get to this website, you will see that they are posting tips on tech tips, how to and tips. Then you go to this premium page. Go to this premium. As you can see, this page consists of free premium account access. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to scroll down. As you can see, we have Turnitin, we have Script, Figma, Coursera, Peacock TV, and lots more. We have Netflix here. So just try to go to the search bar instead of looking for it that way. Just try to look for Perplexity. So this Perplexity here, you click on it. Oh, I think I clicked the wrong link. So this is the Perplexity account. So you click on it. Perplexity call itself an answer engine. So just scroll to the end of the page. As you can see, the website. This is the Perplexity website status. It is working. Last update, it was updated today. So we are dealing with this access. I don't want to mention it because YouTube can flag this um video. And also, I won't show you the direct access on how to use it on this video. So the next thing you have to do is to come to this how to use. Just click on this tutorial and watch how to use this to access Perplexity Pro link. It is very easy, and you will get full access to this Perplexity AI, full access to all the models on this account. So you have access to it. Okay, let me pause this video. As you can see, this one has already logged out now. So I will show you after implementing the tips on this website. I'll get access to the premium version now. So if you see now, you can see that I have access to the premium version now after going through the tips on this website. So just go to this website and go through all this tutorial very well. You will get access to it. It's very easy to use. You can choose models here. You can do anything you want to do here. You can upload your files. You can use voice to text. You can literally do anything a Perplexity Pro account can do. So thank you guys. If you're just watching my video for the first time, make sure you click on the like button, subscribe, turn on notification so that you can get notification each time I publish new content. Thank you once again. See you guys later.